Okay, hello guys. Welcome to another video. Now I make this video for explain to you about designing schematic and PCB with EasyAda. Okay, before to the topic, I want to ask you about schematic and PCB. Did you know about schematic and PCB? Okay, for me, as we know, schematic and PCB are often seen and used when we study, right? Okay, example, last year we received a final project in one of our course to design or create a schematic and PCB for a component. At the time, I designed the schematic and PCB for my final project. Use a software. The name is EagleCAD because the software we can choose the component to be used and we can connect to the line for PCB, to component and each other component, and finally print the PCB and assemble the component to create the desired component. Okay, here we go to my presentation. Share screen. Okay, not yet. Okay. The title is Designing Schematic and PCB with EasyAda. I'm sorry I forget. Let me introduce myself, guys. My name is Kartika Octaviani. My ID student is that's 67052200066. So let's see the topic. Here the topic. Uh, For the topic in my presentation is, first of all, we talk about the definition of schematic and PCB. So next, the definition is EasyAda, strength and the weakness of EasyAda, and EasyAda features. Okay. Now, this is the definition schematic. As we know, schematic is a diagram circuit showing the layout of electrical equipment and showing how they are connected to each other. So we can see I have an example. This is a schematic for FM receiver radio. We use in listening to the music. This is a schematic for like a radio or MP3, MP4. This is a schematic or example schematic for FM receiver radio. We can see layout of electrical equipment like Hexa 3653. This is a resistor. This is a capacitor, and this is a diode, and we can see how they are connected to each other, right? So the next, this is a definition of a PCB. PCB or printed circuit board are made of a metal and connect different or the same type of electronic components without use the cable. This is I have an example PCB for FM receiver radio. Before I have a schematic, and now I have an example for a PCB. This is a picture from a schematic here. Okay. So EasyAda. Did you know about EasyAda, or you can tell me about EasyAda? If you can tell me, or if you don't know, okay, let's talk about EasyAda. EasyAda, or Easy Electronic Design Automation, is a web-based suite of tools that allow you to design or simulate, share, and view for schematic, circuit board, and simulation. It is software is integrated with LCSC component and JLC PCB service. This is a logo for EasyAda. So next, nah, this is a strength or a weakness for EasyAda. When I design schematic and PCB with EasyAda or EagleCAD, as we know, the software have a strength and a weakness. So this is a strength and weakness for EasyAda. In my basic experience, when I design or create schematic and PCB, EasyAda is have a strength like free to use because we can use without paying for feature, and web-based because web-based we can access without install the software. And three, the software is integrated with LCSC and JLC-PCB. So because they integrate with LCSC and JLC-PCB, so the EasyAda have a many component for we can use and we can choose. So strength of the last, in my experience creating and designing in EasyAda, is EasyAda can share the project to each other, so we can without signing file with a WA or not EasyAda, we can share the project just like a copy link, so we can send to the link which friend or which a partner or anything. But EasyAda have a weakness because see, it's web based, so we have to use the connect of internet, no offline mode, because she have to connect it with internet, and then limited library of component. Because she integrate with LCL, JLC PCB, the component is limited library of component because sometimes if a component is not part, we cannot use the components. Okay, this is the last of the topic about EasyAda feature. Feature is EasyAda is schematic capture. This allow you to create and edit schematic diagrams. Then PCB layout. This allow you to create and edit printed circuit board layout. And for sharing, allow you to share your design with others. And the last, integration with LCSC and JLC PCB. This is allow you to order component from PCB, from LCSC and JLC PCB directly from EasyAda. Okay, I think it's enough for our topic, but overall, EasyAda is a great option for students, hobbyists, maker, and electronic engineers who are looking for a free, web-based, and easy-to-use ADA software. Okay, thanks for your attention to my presentation. See you next another video again. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys.